My name is John Downey. I live here in South Kilkenny in a place called the Roar. We started milking here in 2017. We farmed here initially as a suckler herd with a pedigree limousine herd for more than 35-40 years, and we made a transition in 2017. So we decided to milk with two Lely astronauts, and because our holding is fragmented, we chose to zero graze. So we house our cows all year round and they're fed on zero graze grass. So we decided to look at solar panels because when we had developed the dairy, the building was new, so we had all the LED lights in, and we also had a broker covering electricity, so the price was managed as well. So this was the obvious next step to take. That's why we chose to go the solar panel route. The AEI was one of the companies we looked at initially, and when we had done all our pricing and all our initial meetings, we felt that they were more of a fit for what we were trying to do. They answered all our questions honestly, told us what the system wouldn't do as well as what it would do. AEI at the time gave us good advice in relation to the grants and the various different types of grants that were available to us, but they all depended on the system that we were putting in. So after consultation with technicians, we decided the system that would suit us best was a 30 kilowatt system with no batteries, because of the robots and how they operate, with little and often supply of electricity. And if we decide to add to that system, it's quite easy to do so, just addition of extra panels. So initially we were a little bit concerned about the installation process, about the delays it may have caused, and would it upset the cows in the system here, because the machines obviously go 24 hours a day. And we were delighted to see that it only took 20 minutes while they were actually commissioning the system. That's all the robots were shut down for. So it took maybe a half a day to put up the rails on the roof, another half a day to put the panels on, and another day to commission it and get it going. So really, it was 2 full days' work. On the basis of that and the savings that we're making and our payback of 5 to 5.5 years, I would happily recommend a solar panel system, and I would happily recommend AEI.